So excited about getting this in. So today is going to be getting the engine on the hoist, back in the car. Got to get the clutch put on it, a few minor things, but the engine's going to go in the car, and then we're mocking up the turbo kit in the car. So this is just test fitting, making sure like this fit together so perfectly. So good. See, I went with the ceramic coated version on the hot side. It's going to be so good. Let's get to it. Have a moment of silence for the balancer weight we have to remove, or the flywheel weight we have to remove. It's a whole day's worth of work for 5 guys just to figure out what size that needed to be and what weight it needed to be. Rest in peace, buddy. I was about to grab that. I don't know, it's probably not that hot anymore, but so if you guys haven't seen the video of how to calculate the counterbalance weight of a flywheel, I've got a video for that. We had to heat it up to get it off, but yeah. What did this end up being made out of? Is that just steel?
Mild steel.
Mild steel. Yeah, so the way to calculate this is pretty crazy, but yeah, the rotating assembly is 0 balance, so we don't need that anymore. Bye-bye. Mock-up did not go the greatest, so here are my issues. AC line resting on the turbo flange, so that probably means AC is going to go bye-bye. Also, AC stuff, this is right where the downpipe goes. Fuel stuff, this is my regulator here, then it's right where the downpipe's going to go also. So that's got to move. The other issue is that this sway bar mount, this is right where the other crossover tube goes, so it comes from this guy down over and then up to here, and it goes right here. And the other issue is the power steering, so it goes literally right here by all these lines. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that yet. Probably going to go without power steering, but we will see. And the last issue, brake lines. So this right here, you can see I've got my, this is my line lock, and this is my proportioning valve. this is all right in the way of the header. So the header goes right here where this is. So that has to go also. Lots of work ahead of me, and I'm going to start now. Brakes are going to be first, followed by, I don't know if I have to remove this or cut it. I believe if I cut a little bit off here, it'll clearance it enough. We will see. Brakes are done-ish. I think it looks alright. It's not my favorite, but it will do. I moved the line lock, so it was down here, moved that guy up here. And there's my proportioning valve for the rear brakes. That was right down here, moved that up there. Now the header's got a clear path. Won't run into any issues there. Just have to cut off some of this. It might all have to go. I don't know yet. We should find out. Just realized something awesome about my trick flow manifolds. I'm sure most of you already know, but the box R upper and the R series, or the box upper and the R upper, they are the same as far as the ports on the bottom. What's even cooler about this is that this is actually off of my cleaver, and this is the upper intake for the cleaver that I had, and this was a 351. So I have decided, just because a lot of reasons, but mainly because of clearance and ease of getting to things, that this is not the one I'm going to run. So I'm going to swap this stuff, or this guy, and get it on the car. So you can see I got everything swapped over, and the cleaver upper fits perfect. I checked the gasket, it is so perfect. And I think I'm going to leave it with the inlet facing towards the driver's side because of where I'm going to mount my intercooler. Now, I've got the AC condenser, I've got a heat exchanger, and I've got my radiator that's got to go in here. So I don't think I could have this face the passenger side like normal, but I think this is going to work better. I think it will. Hopefully you guys see my vision when I get there. I'm going to keep working on this. I've got a lot more little things to do. The fuel system is done. It's all plumbed in hardline. Oh, it's beautiful. It is beautiful. It's a thing of beauty. See the hard line right there, hard line there. Oh, it's beautiful. But I'm going to keep working. There'll be more updates soon. I appreciate you guys watching. Lots of little things are changing. I really want to try to get this started up. I've got so many little things that have to change before I can do that. Drive fast, take chances. We'll see you guys in the next video.